I'm not doing it today, but at the end of the series, I'm hoping to drop in on this. Hi everyone, so yes, in my teens I pretty much lived at the skate park. I absolutely live for skating, you know, but somewhere along the way, as you do, you kind of get older and you lose track of it. But I want to change that. Now in my 30s, I want to get back into it. I've always loved it. I've always loved, you know, watching it on TV and stuff, but I decided it's time to get out on my board, you know, get back out there and get it done. So yeah, I'm going to try again. I'm going to try and get to at least where I was before, which wasn't that good, but okay, you know, some basic tricks. And just kind of ride the ramps and see how we do. And it's always been a dream of mine, always been a dream, to drop in on a vert ramp. Oh yeah. It's terrifying, the thought, but by the end of this video, I'm hoping that's what I'll do. So yes, this is technically day 3. I've chosen this skate park because this is the one I literally learned to skate in. It looks very different now to what it used to look like, but it's pretty cool. So let's see how we go for day 3. Let's do this. We're at a different skate park for day 4. Let's do this. Here we are for skate day 6 at a different skate park today, and I'm hoping by the end of the series, I'm not doing it today, but at the end of the series, I'm hoping to drop in on this.